Discover the ultimate kitchen companions with our selection of the best stand mixers. Revolutionize your culinary experience with these powerful appliances designed to effortlessly whip, knead, and mix ingredients to perfection. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best stand mixers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer, ranked as the number 5 best stand mixer. Crafted with a blend of ABS plastic, stainless steel, and aluminum, this mixer offers both durability and functionality. Boasting 6 speeds and a 300-watt motor, it effortlessly handles everything from bread dough to delicate cake batter. Compact in design and weighing less than 7 pounds, this mixer is a space-saving marvel. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anywhere with limited storage. Its 3.2-quart stainless steel bowl accommodates the needs of small families or couples, while the tilt head design simplifies bowl access and cleanup. The transparent anti-splash lid ensures a mess-free mixing experience. Equipped with 4 anti-slip suckers, the mixer remains steadfast during operation, providing stability and precision. Additionally, upgraded attachments including an aluminum dough hook, flat beater, and stainless steel whisk enhance its versatility and durability. With multiple color options to suit any aesthetic, the Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer is not just a kitchen appliance, but a statement piece. Priced at only $59 US. Meet the Aucma Stand Mixer, ranked as the number 4 best stand mixer for its exceptional performance and versatility. Crafted from durable materials including ABS plastic, stainless steel, and die-cast aluminum, this mixer boasts a powerful 660-watt pure copper motor and 6 optimized speeds with a pulse function, providing access to a myriad of recipes while operating quietly at less than 76 dB. Its 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl, complete with convenient handles, effortlessly accommodates all your culinary endeavors from cakes and bread to cookies and waffles. The tilt head design simplifies bowl and accessory handling, complemented by a sleek stainless steel decoration belt and blue LED power indicator. Included in the package are 3 essential mixing accessories: a whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater, alongside a splash guard with an access hatch to prevent messy spills. Ideal for gifting, the Aucma mixer is a thoughtful addition to any kitchen, promising reliability and efficiency. Priced at $169 US. The KitchenAid KSM150 stand mixer stands out as a top choice among stand mixers, ranked as the 3rd best in its category. Crafted from durable zinc and stainless steel materials, this mixer boasts 10 different speeds, powered by 250 watts and a voltage of 120 volts, ensuring versatility and efficiency in the kitchen. Its 5-quart stainless steel bowl, equipped with a comfortable handle, offers ample capacity, allowing you to effortlessly mix dough for up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. The mixer's 59-point planetary mixing action ensures thorough ingredient incorporation with 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl. This model also features a tilt head design, providing easy access to the bowl and attached accessories and facilitating the addition of ingredients during the mixing process. With its powerful performance, versatility, and included accessories, the KitchenAid KSM150 stand mixer is a reliable culinary companion for various tasks, from mixing dough to whipping cream. Priced at $329 US. Introducing the Vivohome stand mixer, ranked as the number 2 best stand mixer in its class. This mixer boasts a robust construction featuring ABS, steel, and aluminum materials, ensuring durability and reliability in the kitchen. Powered by a high-performance 660-watt motor, this mixer excels in kneading and mixing tasks, outpacing manual efforts with its efficient 10-speed control and pulse function. The heavy-duty metal gears guarantee stable and quiet operation, while dual heat vents ensure rapid heat dissipation for prolonged usage. Safety and sturdiness are paramount, with a food-grade stainless steel bowl offering a generous 6-quart capacity, perfect for everyday culinary endeavors. Fixed securely to the base, it remains steady during mixing, aided by suction cups that prevent countertop movement. Included are 4 durable attachments: a stainless steel wire whisk, an aluminum dough hook, a Teflon-coated mixing beater, and an egg yolk separator catering to various kitchen needs from dough preparation to baking. Priced competitively at $129 US. The Cuisinart Stand Mixer SM-50BK stands as a beacon of excellence in the realm of kitchen appliances, boasting the coveted title of #1 Best Stand Mixer. Crafted from durable metal, it combines power, precision, and performance to elevate your culinary creations. At the heart of its prowess lies a formidable 500-watt motor, driving a 5.5-quart capacity stainless steel bowl through 12 speeds. From delicate mixes to hearty doughs, its versatility knows no bounds. The mixer's design features a tilt-back head for easy access and a single power outlet for optional attachments, ensuring seamless operation. Included in the package are essential tools for culinary mastery: a chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and a convenient splash guard with pour spout. Moreover, the mixer opens doors to culinary exploration with optional attachments such as pasta extruders, ice cream makers, and more, available in a spectrum of elegant colors. Backed by a limited 3-year warranty and BPA-free construction, the Cuisinart Stand Mixer SM-50BK offers not just a tool, but a promise of quality and reliability. With a price tag of $195 US, it represents a worthy investment for discerning chefs seeking to elevate their culinary endeavors. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.